video. It's your boy Richard XD, and this is my parrot. Parrot is, I think, sleeping on. I don't know. These are my brothers and sister fighting. Oh yeah, you can see some action, guys. So stay tuned. Stay tuned later, cause I'm gonna be playing my PlayStation. This game. I don't know. I forgot the names.
We're not done eating. Well, you didn't finish.
That's
your
my
coffee.
DSSL. You guys woke him up.
What?
I'm just giving him.
No, he's not. Your mom said. Is he done?
Alright, let's see Vane play. Whoa, Vane, you're in first place. What a coincidence. Anyways, I'm gonna go shard. No? ¿Dónde? Anyways. Anyways, bro, I got the six pack. I have blubber six pack, so yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna go shard. I'm gonna go do my business. So I'll leave the camera just like right here. Oh! 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 Oh my god! Yo, that's a big one. Oh yeah, that's gonna be the winner. Oh! Oh yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, that's so good. Oh my god. I gotta stop eating chicken, guys. I gotta stop eating chicken with cheese. Anyways. Wait, what the fuck? Oh. Stop doing this, Ghost. I love you too. And yeah, stop. I know we're boyfriend and girlfriend. Calm down. I swear, one day, it's just gonna break this window, and then I'm gonna be like, and she's gonna be like, yeah. I'm like, yeah. Okay. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna stop it here, and stay tuned for the next video. And bye. I love you. Subscribe.